Today we're making Korean style crispy air fryer wings, and let's get right into it. Now before you start seasoning your wings, just make sure you pat them dry as much as you can using this paper towel. Now what we have over here are some classic seasonings to make this gochujang style wings. Some ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and some cornstarch. And that cornstarch is going to be key to absorb excess moisture and make the wings super crisp. Make sure your hands are clean and then just mix really well. That looks super good. I'm gonna add a drizzle of sesame oil in here, about a tablespoon, and some rice vinegar. Not only will that help to evenly distribute all those spices all throughout that chicken, but it'll add a ton of flavor, and the sesame oil will help to get that nice crispy texture. For the glaze, it's very simple. You need some passata or pureed tomatoes in a pan, along with a nice heapful of gochujang paste, some honey, soy sauce, sesame oil, and lots of fresh minced garlic. Just give that a quick mix, let that come to a lazy simmer, and then taste and adjust the heat or the sweetness as you need with either gochujang paste or honey. Now preheat the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4 minutes. Now this tray that you see over here, it's really going to help with the crispiness, with the airflow, and just making sure it's evenly cooked all around. After about 10 minutes, you're going to see a nice golden brown caramelization all over the wings. Keep it going, flip it, and then continue cooking for about 5 to 10 more minutes, really depending on your model of air fryer. But once it's all done, these wings will be perfectly crisp. Toss them up in a bowl and add your glaze that hopefully you kept warm on the side, because these wings are super nice and hot. Just toss the wings really nicely with that glaze. Brush some more over the top and garnish it up with some sesame seeds and a couple of green onion slants. With wings like this, why do you need anything else to eat ever? And if you do want something else that's along the same lines, still gochujang, still crispy, still chicken without the bones, check out my boneless popcorn chicken KFC style.